Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jolynn. Thank you so much for joining me here today. On this video, we're gonna be making this galaxy inspired wine bottle decor. I am just so in love with it. I feel like if I had flowers would have looked a lot better, but even that is not so bad. It's unique, it's out of the ordinary. For a purple and a silver room, this will be beautiful. For a party that is purple and silver, this as a centerpiece will work perfectly. So if you want to see how I did this, then just keep watching. Right. So what you'll need for this is a wine bottle. I specifically chose the Bailey's bottle simply because I really love the shape. It's very feminine. And then I also love the fact that it has, you see this circular thingy right here? We're gonna use this to outline the circle of the galaxy. We're also gonna need masking tape, contact glue, ribbon. And for the ribbon, you need a color that complements the galaxy itself, and I felt that the color that best complemented this bottle, or rather this color right here, was silver. Scissors to cut the ribbon. And then we need nail polish. So for nail polish, I specifically chose two colors, a clear one with glitters or shimmer in it. If you want specifics, I chose the Luron color number 70 because it has shimmers and it has glitter, and it also has a very beautiful pearl color. You're gonna need white paint. You can either use nail polish or acrylic paint or any kind of paint that you have. And then you're gonna need the finest of the finest of the finest brushes, the brush with a very small tip. I looked for that brush and I didn't find that brush, so I used toothpicks. And then for the inserts, I used grass and spray paint. If you have flowers, please use flowers because flowers are a lot better than grass. Me, I didn't have flowers, so I chose grass. Moving on swiftly, I first of all scraped my bottle and then I removed all the labels and all the tags and all of that stuff. I washed my bottle so that it's nice and smooth to really like remove every single hint of glue. I then took my nail polish, the purple one, and then I painted on my glass. The secret is painting it in a spiral manner. Don't paint it in a linear manner. I then took my polish, the one with the glitter, and then I painted on top of the purple color just so that it can have like a shiny, glittery galaxy look. Leave it to dry. And dry. Take your white paint. I dipped my toothpick inside the white paint and then I painted small little dots to depict the stars of the galaxy. I drew some small stars here and there. Hapa pale tu, kidogo tu hapa pale. I painted the galaxy on this side and on this side just so that it feels complete and it doesn't feel like it's black all the way up. I took my contact glue, poured it on my ribbon, and then I placed it around this, and then here and here, and then on this part right here, I tied the ribbon like I was tying a turban. Yeah. And for the insert, I took grass and then I spray painted it. I love how it turned out. it gives me a lot of feminine vibes. The curves are just perfect, the color is just perfect, the turban right there, mwah. Took me 40 minutes to 1 hour to make. Was it easy? Was it hard? On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a solid 5. It wasn't easy, it wasn't hard, it was just a 5. Thank you for watching this specific video. Thank you for all the lovely responses in my last video. They made me so happy. I will see you guys in my next video.